Hello everyone and welcome to today's daily analysis of the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. At the moment, I'm just going to start zoomed out and just show you what we're working with here. So on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that we're stepping down. We come up, we make a new high, and then we respect this low over here, okay? So what that tells us is that this high up here is a weak high. We should be targeting that, okay, throughout this week and, into the future until it tells us otherwise, okay? So at the moment, we're going to be looking for longs, all right? And that further played into what we thought yesterday because we were quite low in the leg. So quickly recapping yesterday, if you did do what I said, you would have been able to get a quick one risk to reward here with the way that it was set up. I've just changed it because I was fiddling with it, but you could have got one risk to reward yesterday, so you can add that to your data. Unfortunately, it didn't keep going down for 2 or 3 risks to reward, but that was probably because of how low in the leg it was. All right, so moving on to today, over here, we had a change of character, okay? That was last night. Don't know why that's not working for me. There we go. So we had a change of character, okay? And we are stepping up. We got a break of structure here, followed by another one just here, okay? And then all of this above is just continuous part of this piece of structure here, okay? So our protected low at the current moment is here. Okay, so we're going to be looking for trades within this piece of structure, and there's not a whole lot, right? So you can either try and take a trade off this 15-minute zone, but that's a bit too big for our plan. So when you step it down to the 5-minute, you actually get a really clean order block just here on this down candle before the expansive move up, and we're just going to wait for this to come down and hopefully play into this zone. So what that would look like would be stepping down, tapping in, and then we want a 5-minute candle close outside, and then you target your 3 risks to reward, okay? So that's what we're going to be looking for today, a nice long there. Otherwise, the other opportunity that might present itself is that we get another break to the upside, okay? And what that's going to look like is it's going to go up here, and we're going to get a large break of structure. Okay, and then we're going to be looking for longs off of this point, okay? So we're on the 5-minute now. It's not really giving us much. On the 15, still not really giving a whole lot. I'm just going to check to see how much our stop will cover. Okay, so I'd say that what I'll be comfortable with would be targeting this this 15-minute order block just here, and then having your stop cover the protected low, okay, and that would be a high probability trade. Otherwise, I'd be going for this 3-minute unmitigated wick, and I think both of those are high probability plays, okay? So you've now got two scenarios that might play out today. Hopefully they're correct, and yeah, as you can see, the bias is towards longs because of the weak high on the 15-minute time frame. So no matter what, at this stage, we're going to be looking for longs. And the only reason that we wouldn't look for longs would be if price came down and broke this low just there, okay? So play it by ear, remember to react and don't predict, and we should be fine. So a couple of opportunities there. Make sure you screenshot them. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you've got any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. And yeah, you got a couple scenarios. Remember to only risk about 1% of your account or less. Get your 4 pip stop loss right and target your 3 risks to reward, and hopefully we get some wins.